I call it real spell.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh, back with another video. And as y'all can see right now, I'm at the airport. I'm finna fly out to go cut one of my NFL clients. But before I say anything else, make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on me for your boy. Support your boy. And also leave a like if you like this video for the YouTube algorithm so I can keep growing. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be vlogging with y'all. And like I said, I'm about to go to Ohio to go cut one of my NFL clients, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's get it. Boy had to get the comfortable side, G. Hurry up so I can catch my Uber. In the Uber, I got a real busy week this week. You know, I'm traveling today. I'm going back tomorrow though. Today's Sunday, so I'm going back Monday. My birthday is Tuesday, August the 10th. Your boy turning 21. You know, it's a big day for me. You know, Leo season though. You already know Leos are the greatest, the best to ever do it. So yeah, you know, we putting in work for my birthday. For my birthday, I'm going to New York. I'm going to New York on Friday, celebrating. Me and my girlfriend gonna go down to New York. You know, we're gonna have some fun. See what that's about. It's my first time going. So yeah, that's pretty much my whole week, man. And I'm gonna vlog the whole thing for y'all. You know, I want to get into this vlogging thing more. I know y'all guys want to see it, and you know, I want to give y'all more of me and let y'all see me some more. So yeah, get used to this vlogging, man. Right, like I said, we in the Uber on the way to my boy house. Yeah. What's good, y'all? So yeah, I'm in my client house. I'm about to show y'all my station where I work at when I'm here. Got the magic clips, y'all already know. Babbers, joints, everything I need. Got the whole station. Got the chair. They're red and black. This is my travel bag right here where I keep all my clippers and stuff in. Then I got the cake. The Slick Nicks cake, you know what I'm saying? I love that cake. This thing go crazy. Yeah, when I be like chilling, when I be bored, I be playing this little golf game, bro. Something, you know, competitive to do with the boys when we chilling and just hanging out in between cuts or whatever. I'm gonna do this done with one hand. Watch this. One hand. Hope I make it. Watch this. Damn, hold up. Hit it too soft. That don't count. About to hit it. One hand. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. You just witness it for yourself, man. This is what we do, man. I'm just chilling right now, but yeah. Alright, y'all from the cut, bro. Got my bro Vaughn there.
What's good, y'all?
Right, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all finna see. Good, y'all. Just got done cutting, man. I'm about to clean up, man, so I'm gonna let y'all see that, bro. What's good, y'all? So yeah, you see I just got done cutting my guy Von. His name Von Bell. He plays for the Cincinnati Bengals. He used to play for the Saints, man. My guy is so cool, bro. That's my dog. We're from the same city too, actually. But you know, anyways, I want to just say, I want everybody that's watching this video right now to really just double down, like really double down and chase your dreams. Whatever you imagine in your mind, you can do it. You know, it can become your reality, because everything that I'm doing right now was once an idea and was once a dream, and I'm actually living it in my reality. So I just want to say that anything you want to do, you can do it. Just meet the right people, stay authentic, stay positive, make good relationships with people, and your life can turn into whatever you imagine it can be. And it's only up from here. So yeah, like I said, I want to keep making vlogs because I want to inspire you guys. I really do a lot, and I want to just show you guys what's possible in life if you really believe in yourself and you go hard and you chase your dreams. But yeah, so I'm about to leave, catch my flight, go back to the city. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.
That's the way it was
You good right here?
to us.
Yeah, it's cool.
I appreciate it, man. I think we did talk about
All right, have a good day too. What's good, y'all? I made it through TSA. And luckily, I didn't get stops going through TSA. Usually when I travel with my clippers, I always get stopped because of my razors and stuff. Remember one time they made me throw something away, and one time they took my razors from me. You know, I need my razors for my cuts to be crispy all the way. Bro, who goes to the airport and rides on these? Like, just because, man. I ain't lazy though, but you know, take a break off my legs, you already know. What's good, y'all, man? Your boy made it back home. Crazy thing is, as soon as I'm getting off the plane, my girlfriend called me and told me that they towed her car from my apartment. So I gotta hurry up and get over there. But yeah, man, I hope y'all liked the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on what you think about this video, and don't forget to chase your dreams, man. I'll see y'all later. Peace.